Today I have a quick review of the Canon 48 gun safe. Um, it's a pretty good gun safe. It's not exactly what I was looking for. Now that I've got it, I wish I kind of would have gone a little different route. But I'm pleased with what I have. Buy once, cry once. I was gonna buy a little bit smaller one, but I'm glad I didn't. So let me go ahead and open up the safe real quick. So you've got your pin code here, and you've got a 3-prong handle. These things just screw in. So it'd probably be good to get some Loctite or some clear nail polish or something like that to put them on. That way that they're stuck on there. I've only had it about 3 weeks, and this one right here has come loose a couple of times. Anyways, let me put in my passcode. So after you put in your passcode, this will turn to green, and then that shows that it's good. What I've had to do is I have to push this a little bit and then pull in order for it to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. All right, now that it's open, you can see what I've got in here on mine. So I've only have 11 guns over here on this side. Most of them are scoped. I have a muzzleloader that isn't, and 2 shotguns, and things barely fit into this on this one side. So you've got a whole bunch of slots right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-ish, I guess. So 8 all the way back. 3 rows of that. I had to finagle stuff to get into the back. I put my guns. I probably won't shoot very much in the back. And then I've got a couple other little guns. I have 2 with bipods. This front one. So here's a Creedmoor. It's a 24-inch barrel. And then I've got my Ruger Mini 14. I've got a 1022. I've got a Mossberg 243. 2 shotguns in the back is my muzzler. You can't see it back there. And then a 26-inch 270. And so you can see it barely fits the 24-inch. It actually hits a little bit. So if you put it in an angle, the 26-inch 270, I had to put up and I kind of shimmy it back in there. But now that I bought my Creedmoor, I probably won't shoot that 270 a whole lot. And then these other little guns have short barrels, and they barely hit this. I wish that this was taller, or that there was more slots like this. So it's open. I wish that was a bigger area in order to accommodate more long rifles, or that these were spaced out farther so that you could get the guns in there easier. Anyways, I think it'll suffice what I have. I'm probably actually going to take this piece and chop it right here and then make it so that there's a support beam right here, and that way I can fit in all these guns easier on this side after I purchased a few more. On the right hand side, I've got down here is going to go where all my expended cases are for reloading. Currently this is just what I have in stock. I've got my Creedmoor 223, my pistol ammo, and my 22 ammo. Then up here I've got some shotgun ammo and some 270 ammo. And then we've got our important documents, passports, anything else you can think of in there. And then top I just got some storage in here. It's not actually the pistol. It's just all the warranties for my scopes, my guns, my binoculars, the safe. And then I've got a couple other things on the side here. You've got places for your pistols. This is a Ruger Security 6. And you have another spot. It's not really that useful. And I've got my M&P shield. And then it got a couple more of those and some random pouches. I've got some old hunting tags that are filled. This one's pretty deep if you want to put something in that. You can take this little door off, so if you wanted to, you can put something behind it. How you do that is you take and you lift this up and the bottom comes out, and then you drop the top down. I'll go ahead and take that off for you real quick. So here you've got the door. On here, this is the part taken off. So if you wanted to, you could probably put some stuff back in here and hide it or do whatever if you don't feel quite so secure. This is your control system, and then this wire goes over to the red dot to be able to reset your code. It's a pretty good overall safe. I bought it on Black Friday sale for $200 off. To pay full price, I don't know if I would do it if you've got a whole bunch of guns. If you have probably 15 or less, or only planning on 15 or less, it's an okay safe. If you were planning on having 30 guns in here, I would probably go a different route. And it barely fit on one side, 11 guns. I mean, granted, I could put probably another one, two, maybe three up front, and then another one here, and possibly one more in the back. So it'd be pushing 15 if you really stacked them in there right. If this was spaced out farther, or this was gone, I think it'd be a little bit different. Winchester makes one where it's more of a circular thing around. It doesn't have this piece or this piece, and I think that might be a better route. This is also, you can take this out on the Winchester. You can't take it out on this Canon one. It's fixed. If you have any questions, let me know.